Hi, I'm Rhiannon from Barbecue Spit Rotisseries, and today we're cooking from home, where I'm going to show you how you can use barbecue rubs in your everyday home cook. If you don't have time to fire up the barbecue at home, but you still want to cook up some flavour-packed pork belly, I highly recommend using Kosmos Q Killer Honeybee. So the first step is to score, salt, and leave the pork belly uncovered in the fridge overnight, which is what we did yesterday. The next step is to apply a generous amount of the rub to the underside of the belly. Now on the skin, I like to apply some extra salt to help get that perfect pork crackling. So our pork belly's all ready. We've got our baking paper lined tray. The oven's preset to 200. Let's get her on. So our pork belly was cooking in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 90 minutes. The meat's probing like butter and the crackling is nice and crispy. Let's slice her up and see how we went. That's delicious. So the pork belly was absolutely delicious. Let's see what the little ones have to say.
Yum.
What do you reckon, buddy?
Mama.